This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow a garden at home using the Waffle method. This unique approach helps you maximize your yield in a small space, making gardening accessible for everyone. We will cover everything from initial planning to successful harvesting, ensuring your home garden thrives. Get ready to transform your backyard or balcony into a productive green oasis with this simple, effective technique. Now, let's design your Waffle garden layout. First, select a location that receives ample sunlight, ideally 6 to 8 hours daily. Next, measure your chosen area to decide the size of your garden bed. A common size is 4 feet by 4 feet, easily accessible from all sides. Finally, mentally or physically divide this bed into 1 foot by 1 foot square sections, like a waffle grid, for organized planting. With your waffle grid ready, it's time for smart planting. Each 1 foot square becomes a dedicated home for a specific crop. For example, you might plant 16 carrots in 1 square or 1 tomato plant. Refer to planting guides for optimal density. Consider companion planting. Marigolds near tomatoes can deter nematodes, while basil improves tomato flavor. This organized system makes managing your garden much simpler. Nurturing your waffle garden ensures a bountiful harvest. Consistent watering is crucial. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, adjusting for rainfall. Fertilize every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced organic feed to replenish soil nutrients. Regularly inspect for pests and diseases, addressing issues promptly. Finally, harvest your vegetables as they ripen. This encourages the plants to produce even more, providing a continuous supply of fresh produce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.